Hello friends, I am Bindu Setia Likha, NLP life coach and a mental strength trainer. I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Friends, today's topic is going to be very interesting and it's really very useful for everybody. Everybody means all who are watching this video, whether a student who is pursuing his or her studies, or a professional of any field, or a housewife. Please watch this video till end to take the maximum benefits. Goal, target, objective. You all can say this because on a day-to-day basis we try to achieve our goals. We set some goals and then we put our 100% efforts to achieve that. But success rate is not always good. So that's why I'm here with this topic, outcome. In NLP, we just don't decide our outcome and start working on that. Friends, we do a proper analysis, proper research. We see certain conditions. If those conditions fulfill, then only we set it as our outcome. So, that is the only way we make our outcome interesting, achievable, and motivational also. Okay, friends, let's start. First of all, what is outcome? Whatever you want to do is outcome. So, can I say that the task that you do on a daily basis is also an outcome? No. Our task is whatever we do to get what we want to do or to get our outcome is task. So, we should never start doing any task before setting our outcome. So let's start how to set an outcome. First point is your purpose. Your purpose should be very clear and it should be very strong. So wherever you are right now is your present state, okay? And the goal that you want to achieve of that particular state is your desired state. So your journey is from your present state to your desired state. You should be very clear that why you want your desired state. Your purpose should be very strong and clear to you, because more strong will be your why, that why I want my this desired state. Achieving your outcome will be easy. Now friends, second, how to structure your outcome. So there are some points, 9 points that is needed to structure your outcome. Some of the important points I am discussing here. Let's start. First one, your outcome should be positive. Friends, we should always decide our outcome as a positive one. For example, if you want to reduce weight, so that is somewhere negative. Reduce and how? Mind can get confused. So it might be possible that you can fall ill to reduce your weight. So positively you can say, I want to be slim. Then your mind will take it in a positive sense. Second is evidence. Friends, while achieving our outcome, we should at certain point of time give evidence to our mind, because mind loves motivation and success. Suppose your target you can achieve after 8 months and you are in between not giving any evidence to mind, so mind can refuse in between to proceed for your outcome. For example, if you want to reduce weight and you have set a target that I will reduce 12 kg in the coming year, and you are just following your routines, you are working hard, but you are not giving any signal to mind that you are moving in the right direction, then it might be possible that after 8 months your mind gives up and says, it's very difficult, I am fed up of this particular routine. So friends, it's very important to give evidence that you are going in the right direction. Then Third is your outcome should be specific, with whom you want your outcome, date you can specify. So these things also help to structure your outcome. Next is resources. It's very, very important to consider all the resources before starting for your outcomes. Like money, if you want to open some business, then you should be very clear that how much money is needed in this particular venture. People is one of the very important resource. So you should be knowing that how many people you need for your particular venture. Or your role models, we need to be motivated, so there should be some role models also. So resources are also one of very important factor in structuring your outcome. Now next is identify. Friends, you should be identified with your outcome in a very right way. It should not be like this, that you have chose something where you need to speak a lot, and personally you are an introvert person, so it should match with what you are. Okay, then next one is chunk down. Friends, if your outcome is very big, then chunk down into smaller one, so that mind can get evidences that you are achieving your goals continuously. So these are the ways to structure your outcome. Okay friends, so we have done till now purpose, why we want our outcome. We have structured our outcome. Now is the time to see what obstacles we can face during our outcome. At times obstacles are so real that it is impossible to achieve it, and we leave in between. So it is better to see all those before starting the outcome or our journey to achieve our goal. So list down all your obstacles and see whether they are real or only our belief. For that, you can check in 3 ways. First of all, see if that obstacle is really unachievable, then you can drop it for right now, and after some time you can again see that whether that obstacle is achievable. For example, you want to start some business and you need money, or you need any skill for that particular business and you don't have right now, so right now you can drop that particular outcome. Second, your obstacle is really tough but it is achievable. In that case also you can see whether you are ready to put your time and efforts, because most time it happens that we are not able to put that time and efforts. So it is better to drop that outcome. Why to waste our energy and time where we are not going to put that particular time and effort for that particular outcome? But if you feel that okay, it is tough but I'm ready to put my efforts and time and I will achieve that particular thing, then go ahead and start achieving for your target. Now last is, sometimes some obstacles are in our mind or in our surroundings, our people mind. In that case also we are not sure that whether this obstacle is real or not. So you can do some testing of that particular belief, that whether this obstacle is real. And again you can consider and place in the first 3 things that we have right now checked, and after that now you are ready to start or pursue for achieving your target and goals. Friends, I hope you must have liked this video. Thanks for watching it till end, and if you have any kind of queries or doubts, you can contact me. My contact is in the description box. Bye for now.